guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you very much for coming to see this little haul from Office Supply. I'll put Office Supply in the description box, and if you don't see it in my description box or you forget, just go to Office Supply online store in Google and it will take you right there. So this collection is something I've been looking for a long time. This was one of the collections that I first bought when I started paper crafting, and I only found the cardstock and the ephemera, but I've seen it because I've looked for this in a lot of places on Etsy and on eBay. And I have to thank Liana from It's a Deal because she first showed this on her channel and told me where she hauled it from. So thank you, Liana, and I'm so glad that I found it. I'm like down to scraps of this paper. So you get the 12 by 12 and it's double-sided, and you get these punch-out journaling cards here. Well, they call them doilies, and these are the journaling cards inside. And then you get the sticker sheet on the back, which is so fun. And then I got the ephemera there, and this was $1.56, and all of their ephemera has a little glitter and sparkle on it. There's flamingos and butterflies and words. Well, I'll show you this side. And I found these stickers. They didn't really go with this, but I had these once before and I used them all up. So these were only $1.36, so I got two of those. Also, I had a coupon for being a first-time customer, and it was 15% off. These are some flowers that did go with this collection, I'm pretty sure. And if you want the specific links for these, just put it in the description box and I'll be happy to get it for you. These are the bigger journaling cards, which I never had before. So I got one of those, and I think they are yep, 6 by 4. And I got this glitter cardstock, and this was $2.68. I think it goes really good with this. It's called Sherbet Lemon, and it is really glittery and pretty. I don't see anything in the package that would lead me to believe that it has any fallout. And this is from Tonic Studio. So I got two of the yellow, and then one of this pink here, and this was $3.01. I don't know why the price difference between the two. Maybe this one's more popular with people. So anyway, I got one pink one, and then I saw these pineapples that somehow I couldn't live without them. They're very sparkly, like sequins, and puffy. And these are from Jolie's Boutique. So I'm putting those in there. And also I have the butterflies. These were $1.72. And these are really cute. They have pearls on their back, and their little antennas are like the stamens from flowers. And they said these went to this collection. And I had these in my stash, and I think I'm going to keep them over here with these for now, because the colors match pretty well with this collection. So that is my little office supply haul, and I want to thank you guys for watching so much, and please stay tuned for a hidden giveaway that is coming up. But I can't tell you which one, it's hidden. Okay, thanks guys, and I'll see you next time with something new.